Hey, baby, it's your man Mars Midnight. Alright, that big glowing orb you see behind me is a full moon, and it is the 4th of July. Alright, and that dilapidated brick building with the ivy crawling all over it, well, that used to be a nightclub called Toads. My first rock and roll band that I started and then summarily got kicked out of. They played here, everybody was there, but yeah, it was a good time. And right across the way here is the Ice House, where Dizzy Gillespie, who hails from here, Cheraw, South Carolina, named after the Cheraw Indian tribe, played a gig once. And Dizzy himself said, "I will never go back to Cheraw, South Carolina." And yet they honor him now with a bronze statue and his visage, effigy on their badges. But, they did him this favor. They named the projects after him. Yeah. In the ghetto. Hey, baby. And once a year, my hometown. Yeah, I know things are bad enough without doing Bruce Springsteen. Tries to pretend like they listen to jazz, specifically bebop, and do a jazz day or something. And they hire these out of town bands, and they come here and play, and everyone pretends like white people. And thing is, man, I was always big into bebop, but you can't tell the story about Dizzy Gillespie without, that's like having Robin Day and not mentioning Batman. Now, who was Batman in the Gillespie equation? Charlie Bird Parker, the genius of the alto saxophone. That's what I started out on. And you can't tell the story of Charlie Parker without telling the story of heroin. And you know what? Let's just tell the parts of history that are convenient and ignore everything else. All right. What you guys shouldn't do is ignore each other and be good to each other. Okay, baby? We love you.